Upgrading from a traditional TV to something that truly feels cinematic is no longer complicated. And this setup proves exactly why. The AWOL Vision LTV-3000 Pro combined with a 130-inch motorized ALR floor rising screen delivers a massive viewing experience without the usual complexity of projector installations. The entire concept revolves around simplicity and scale. Instead of mounting a projector far across the room, this ultra-short throw system sits just a few inches away from the screen. That close placement allows it to project a huge 130-inch image while keeping the setup clean and practical for everyday use. The design feels premium right from the start. The projector has a modern, minimal look that blends easily into a living room environment. It doesn't feel like a bulky piece of equipment, but more like a refined part of a home entertainment setup. The build quality adds to that impression, making it feel durable and high-end. One of the standout features here is the motorized floor rising screen. This is not just a regular projector screen. It stays hidden inside its base when not in use and rises smoothly when needed. The motion is clean and precise, creating a perfectly flat surface design for ultra-short throw projection. It's a smart solution for anyone who wants a large display without permanently dedicating wall space. The ALR technology in the screen plays a major role in picture quality. By rejecting ambient light, it helps maintain brightness and contrast even in rooms that are not completely dark. This makes the setup practical for daytime viewing as well as nighttime movie sessions. Performance is where this system really stands out. The triple laser light source produces rich, vibrant colors with excellent brightness levels. The image feels lively and detailed, whether it's a movie scene, sports broadcast, or streaming content. With true 4K resolution and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, the visual experience goes beyond standard projection. Highlights appear brighter, shadows retain detail, and the overall contrast feels more dynamic. This creates a picture that feels closer to what you would expect from a high-end cinema display. Motion performance is solid as well. Fast-moving scenes remain smooth, which is important for sports and gaming. The responsiveness makes it suitable for casual gaming sessions without noticeable lag interfering with the experience. Sound quality is another strong point. Built-in audio with Dolby Atmos compatibility delivers a wide and immersive soundstage. It's powerful enough for everyday use, and for those who want even more depth, connecting an external audio system can easily enhance the experience further. Ease of setup is a major advantage here. There's no need for ceiling mounting or complex wiring. Placement is straightforward, adjustments are minimal, and the system is ready to use quickly. The ultra-short throw design also prevents shadows from interfering with the image, which is a common issue with traditional projectors. Connectivity ensures compatibility with modern devices. Whether it's gaming consoles, streaming devices, or media players, everything connects easily, turning the projector into a complete entertainment hub. This bundle approach removes the guesswork. The projector and screen are designed to work together, ensuring optimal performance without needing to research compatibility. The result is a seamless and polished viewing experience from the moment it's set up. The overall experience is immersive in a way that standard TVs struggle to match. A 130-inch display creates a sense of scale that transforms movies, sports, and games into something far more engaging. Anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup without turning their space into a dedicated theater room will find this kind of system incredibly appealing. It combines convenience, performance, and modern design into one complete package. If this setup sounds like the right upgrade, the purchase link is available in the description section below.